In 1 month, a supermarket sells 5,847 cans of tomato soup, 3,734 cans of vegetable soup, and 2,485 cans of chicken soup. The combined sales of these three varieties is 3,728 greater than the total sales of all the other varieties of soup. How many cans of soup were sold during the month altogether? So we know how much tomato, vegetable, and chicken soup was sold. We don't know how much other soup was sold, but we do know that it was 3,728 less than the sales of tomato, vegetable, and chicken soup combined. We want to know how many cans of soup were sold altogether, so we'll need to add the sales of tomato, vegetable, chicken, and other soups. So now let's put some numbers onto our bar model. We have 5,847 for tomato soup, 3,734 for vegetable, and 2,485 for chicken. Now, what do we need to do? We need to find the total of these three numbers, because that will then help us to work out how many other cans of soup were sold. So adding up the totals for tomato, vegetable, and chicken, we get 12,066. So now we can work out the number of other cans sold, because we know that this is 3,728 less. So if we subtract 3,728 from 12,066, we have our total for other cans, which is 8,338. So now that we've used 3,728 to calculate the number of other cans, we can ignore it. Now, we know that these three can varieties together total 12,066, and we know that other varieties of soup total 8,338. So if we add these two together, we have the total number of cans of soup sold, which is 20,404.